Hello!
Hi guys, welcome to the mukbang.
Welcome to our mukbang. A lot of you guys have been requesting do mukbang again, and you sent a lot of questions. I posted on my Instagram story earlier and we got heaps, so we will go through the questions. So we will be doing like a Korean barbecue. We have pork, beef, lettuce, mushroom, and then meron tayong sauce dito na tinuro sa akin ni Miss. Ano lang siya? Bean paste at saka pepper paste, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng oil. Yan. Sesame oil. I have my rice in here as well. Wait magluto lang kami guys.
Remember how smoky this gets as well?
Smoky?
Shout out to the boys channel, the Zigz. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. It's called the Zigz, and Rhaze will leave the link below for the Zigz, and we'll do Sissy's channel as well. Keep it all in the family. I'm sure you know Rich, but check out her channel as well.
Thank you guys.
Thank you people. So Rhaze was saying that a lot of the questions are regarding the baby's name.
Yeah.
And we do have a name picked out for our daughter. But we're going to keep it a secret.
Yeah, as in, ano po yung pangalan ng baby? May pangalan na po ba kayo kay baby? Can you share the baby's name?
Rhaze chose it a while ago.
Meron na kaming pangalan for a baby boy. Meron na din kaming pangalan for a baby girl, of course. At first, we didn't like the baby girl's name.
Nah, it took me a few weeks to grow on me, but
yeah,
I like it now. It's all good.
The first time I told him about it, he's like, no way, we're not naming her that. But he liked the baby boy name right away.
Yeah, baby boy's name's cool.
When are we gonna reveal the name?
When the baby pops out.
Yeah, pagdating na ni baby guys, i-reveal namin yung pangalan. Let us know if you have like any name suggestions.
We would change, if a better name comes along that we like better, we would change it. But so far, we're reasonably sold on this one.
I saw someone said Daniela. Daniela! Wait, this needs to be really cooked, huh? Like, I want it to be cooked.
We'll start off with an easy one. When will the house construction start? September, October this year.
Kahit na gusto namin mag-start ngayon na, hindi pa pwede guys kasi we are still going through the approval process. Ang dami pang kailangan gawin, ang dami pang inspection na kailangan gawin.
Okay, the next one is, are you planning to get a helper or someone
na tutulong sa'yo after you give birth?
Like a nanny? No.
We will not get a nanny.
Nannies are rare in Australia actually.
Yeah, it's very rare.
They're not that common. We A, couldn't afford a nanny. B, wouldn't want to pay a nanny. And C, we don't need a nanny either. We'll be able to do it. I was going to say it'll be easy, but we know it's not going to be easy. But we're used to hard work. We've always worked hard, so this is just something that we wanted, and we're ready and we're prepared, and yeah, we'll be fine. No stress.
Yeah, and we want to be hands-on as well sa baby. Alam mo yun? Kung kakailanganin man namin ng tulong, not sa bata, but sa bahay. Because we were talking about getting a cleaner to clean once a week. If I can't do it anymore.
Yeah, if we have to get a cleaner, we'll get a cleaner.
Para lang mag-deep clean, mag-general cleaning guys kapag hindi ko kaya. Kasi alam nyo naman, especially like maybe the first few weeks. Because ayaw naman natin ng maduming bahay. Do you want a dirty house?
Of course not. I want a clean house.
Ano po ang reaction mo sa vlogs ng mga kapatid mo?
Your brother's vlogs?
Yeah.
Oh no, the boys are doing really good. We both think they're very good editors.
Mark is really good at editing.
Yeah, and it's funny as well. I've got no idea what they say, but it is entertaining.
When I'm watching the video, what am I doing?
Laughing.
I'm just laughing.
Really hard. Really hard.
Really hard, yeah.
Really hard.
And sobrang lakas ng tawa ko kapag nanonood ako ng video nila. And I love it. Gusto ko na nakikita ko sila lagi. Alam mo yun? And they're uploading consistently. Good on
it's
them.
good. Good job, boys.
Yeah.
Keep it up. Alright, next question is your mum planning to come to Australia?
After the baby's name question, ito yung sobrang tinatanong din. Kung pupunta ba yung mama ko dito or kung pupunta ba sila dito sa Australia, kapag nanganak na ako, gusto namin, yes. I think gusto din ni mama, but kailangan niya ng kasama. So kung may makakasama siya, like I think Marlon can do it kasi yung dalawa, wala pa silang passport. Kung pwede na mag-travel anytime, pwede na silang pumunta. So si Mama at saka si Marlon lang yung pwede for now because sila lang yung dalawang may passport. But yeah, definitely, ang tagal na namin silang gustong papuntahin dito, kaya lang sila yung may ayaw. So piliting sila guys sa kanilang vlog kasi.
Here's one for you, my love.
What is it?
Your life seems very easy and simple.
Okay.
Any tips for us stumbling all the time?
Well,
How come you got an easy life, my love?
I feel like
It's not easy, by the way.
it's not easy. I feel like our life is like not as hard because we live a simple life.
It's
right?
not as hard, man. We want just simple things in life.
Dan is
Yeah.
like working really hard para sa amin.
We have our struggles, trust me.
Yeah.
We do. Life's not meant to be easy.
Yeah. How is it?
You-
Oh, you should use the paste.
I do.
Oh, you did. Beautiful.
Ooh,
Ooh. Very good.
very good.
That's good.
Go for it, babe.
Alright, wait. Is it cooked? Okay, try ko be. Lettuce with pork. Okay, konti lang. Dara kay Mama.
Up to you.
I want the very cooked one. Ang sarap nito with the sauce.
Mushroom or no mushroom?
Oh yeah, mushroom wait sa. Ay, dapat inuna yung sauce na ilagay niya sa ano, no? Masarap to guys. Try nyo tong taste na to. Pinakita ko siya sa vlog ko. Uy, ang ano ha, yung mushroom natin lumiliit. Is it good?
I really like Korean, like barbecue. It's good, isn't it? Just
It's really good with the sauce. Is yours spicy?
a little
Mine is
bit.
spicy.
I can handle it though.
Sarap ng sauce.
Maybe I'm gonna read one of the Filipino. What's this one here? What was your lunch today, babe?
Egg.
Your egg.
Yeah, egg with rice.
Okay. Good.
Very good. Mushroom is really good. Okay, so ano po yung mga changes sa everyday routine mo ang nagbago since pregnancy?
I reckon you're sleeping more, eating more, going to the toilet more.
Yep. I'm not taking naps during the day, but I sleep in.
Do you reckon is this fair? Do you reckon you're working less?
I think I'm working same. I'm just taking my time.
Okay.
Because before I hustle like, I'm gonna finish I'm gonna edit 3 videos today. And I will do it. If I say I'm gonna finish 3 videos today, I will do it. Now, I'll just go with the flow. I listen to my body more.
Good.
Dan keeps telling me, relax, relax. You know?
Relax.
I know, relax.
Someone asked you, do you have mood swings?
You answer it.
Definitely. She had it before pregnancy, she has it during pregnancy, and she'll have it after pregnancy.
Is it really bad though?
Nah, you're pretty good. Rose is pretty good. She's not a moody person. She has her moments, but most of the time she's pretty good.
Yeah.
She has a baby growing in her belly, that makes her happy.
Yeah.
And you'll be more happy when the baby comes out.
I know.
Delicious.
Yummers. Sauce, my love, is really, really good. Mushroom. Lagay tayo ng dalawa.
There's more questions in Tagalog that I can't really answer,
Okay, let
babe.
me-
So once you're ready, not urgent, do what you
Let
gotta
me
do.
read it. You know what? Let's just get rid of this. How do you prepare for your upcoming baby? Love you both. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you. How do we prepare? Oh, we are preparing. So mentally we're ready, so that doesn't have to be prepared. We're all ready to rock and roll. Financially we're ready. So it's just
Just waiting for the baby.
we got the baby, we got the car, Raz's car coming in the next month.
Yep.
The house we're going to be renting will be a child-friendly house. Raz's subscribers and friends and family have given gifts, so that's really cool. So, and as we're getting towards the pregnancy, we'll keep on buying some more stuff.
You do not have to send me gifts at all, but thank you so much.
No,
to
you don't have to, but thank you. So now we're ready. I think we're prepared. You know, we're prepared as much as you can be prepared.
Yeah, we've been prepared since even before we started trying. Like we just know, we want a family.
Yeah.
We've been talking about having kids even before we got married. So this is something that we know that we will, experience.
Yeah, we both
Yeah.
want it. We'll work hard for it and enjoy it. So we're ready. We're prepared.
Well, ano ba yung Tagalog ng naglilihi? Are you having the pregnancy symptoms as well?
Me? We both know the answer for this, and it's yes. I am. She laughs, but I really am. I've put on weight. I go to the toilet more. I don't know. I was getting headaches at one stage as well.
Were you? Well, you always get headache even before I get pregnant.
But that's it.
Wait up guys ha. Kain lang tayo ng kain dito.
Someone's asked, will you use the PLANO, P-A-L-O method to discipline your kids?
Palo!
Palo. Spank him?
Yeah, spank.
Yes.
You will? Are you sure? I don't think so. I don't think Dan will.
Maybe not the daughter, but the son.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good. You can't do it to just one child. Nah, I don't think mamamalo si Dan.
I'll spank the boy.
The boy? Why?
He'll be naughty. I know he'll be a naughty boy. You gotta spank him.
But the girl, you want to spank the girl? Why? Too precious?
Yeah, too precious.
Aww.
But the boy.
Feeling ko hindi. I think you're just saying that, but I don't think you will. Kasi you're very gentle. I think you will scream at them. Shut up!
I would.
Yeah, but hindi ko sure, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko ma-imagine si Dan na maganyan.
Hit him on the bum.
Hindi namin alam. We will see, guys. We do not know.
Mum hit me when I was younger.
Are you serious, babe?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, what kind of hit?
A wooden spoon.
Okay.
That hurts more than a hand.
It does, because you don't feel it.
Wooden spoon hurts more. Yep, it hurts.
Why? Because you were being naughty.
Yep, I was being naughty.
Aww.
But that's fair.
That's fair?
That's fair. In my world, it's fair.
Yeah, I was hit as well, but not like really bad. I was hit with a stick as well. Like a wooden stick that they used to cook. Because we use wood fire to cook.
Yeah.
So my mom would hit me with those sticks. And I turned out alright. Dan turned out alright, but it's really different nowadays. It's really different now. So we do not know, guys. We will see. Maganda mag-answer ng question kapag tumatahimik yung ating babe. After mo manganak at Rhaze, kailan mo iuwi si baby sa Philippines? After you give birth, when are you gonna take the baby to the Philippines?
We'll be in the Philippines Christmas time 2021.
Yes!
So by then, hopefully the travel restrictions are lifted.
Should be.
Hopefully, yeah, should be. The baby's had the injections, the baby vaccines and that, yep. It'll be over 1 year old, so it's good timing. So yeah.
Well, that's the plan. Yeah.
I think that'll be our next overseas holiday as well.
Masakit po ba yung procedure sa IVF? Bukod sa injection na part, plano kasi namin mag-IVF. Hindi. Kasi kapag kinolect nila yung eggs mo, that is a surgery. Pero you will be sedated. So, hindi ko siya na-feel at all. Para lang ako natulog ng matagal. Like, mafe-feel mo yung pain after kapag nawala na yung anesthesia. But, yun lang. Para sa akin, para lang siyang period cramps. Para sa akin, ha. The other procedures are not, hindi naman sila surgery like yung pelvic exam, mga ganon.
The transfer was, when they insert it into you, that's not painful at all, is it?
No. Yung embryo transfer, para lang siyang pap smear, guys. Sobrang dali lang ng embryo transfer. As in, we were there for like less than 10 minutes. Diba? The embryo transfer.
They're very quick.
Yeah. Yung actual procedure, it's very, very quick. Tatagal lang siguro is kapag naghihintay ka ng doctor mo, kapag matagal dumating yung doctor. But the embryo transfer itself, just open, put the embryo in, make sure, i-check nila sa monitor nila kung nandun na ba talaga yung baby, o di yung embryo, and you're done. Pwede ka nang umalis, agad-agad. Like, no rest, nothing. Iba na kasi yung IVF ngayon. Before daw, pinaparest pa sila ng mga ilang minuto. Ngayon, hindi na talaga. As soon as the embryo is there, you can go to the toilet if you need to. Like, yeah.
Hi, Ate Rhaze and Kuya Dan. Where would you most likely to go on vacation? If I could go anywhere on vacation at the moment, I'd go
Agoy, ginamit ko sa
Bali.
Bali?
Only because I want to go to a resort. So I want to go to a resort and relax.
Makes sense. It.
But second will be New Zealand.
Oh yeah!
So they're the two places. But if I had to leave today, I don't want to go to a resort, or you can eat breakfast, and just sit by a pool and swimming and eating and swimming and eating.
Yeah.
That would make me happy. Yourself, baby, where do you want to go?
I don't really care.
Okay. She doesn't care.
As long as it's safe for me and the baby, I'll go there. New Zealand is pretty good. And we will be opening our borders to New Zealand as well very soon. So that's great. Alam mo yung before pregnancy, ang dami kong, gusto kong pumunta dito, gusto kong pumunta dyan. Nung nabuntis na ako, wala na akong pakialam sa kung anong mangyari. Basta, may baby na ako, okay na ako.
The next question is, how is Australia doing with the pandemic? We're doing really good. Where we're from Adelaide, like we've only had 2 cases in the last, I reckon, 7 weeks, maybe, something like that. Those 2 cases were, both of them were people coming into Adelaide that already had it. So, someone came from the United Kingdom this week that already had it, and they let him into the country because I think someone in their family's dying.
Really?
Yeah.
You just think...
They let him through on compassionate grounds.
Yeah, compassionate grounds.
And I think it's... I did read it was someone dying in their family.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they let him through for that. I don't know.
A lot of people were pissed about
Yeah, a lot of people weren't happy with that, but I don't know if it's right or wrong. So next week, the pubs and restaurants are pretty much open properly. The pubs can have about 80 people in them, which is what they pretty much have anyway normally.
Yeah.
So restaurants as well will have like more numbers. So we're doing pretty good here. Well, that's South Australia anyway, I'm not sure exactly.
Yeah, South Australia, how we're talking about South Australia.
Other states got different rules, but South Australia is doing one of the better states.
Yep.
So it's good. Alright, this question is for me.
Okay.
Kuya Dan, do you love your job? Is that your dream job? I really like my job. It's not my dream job though. But
do you like your job?
Yeah, I like my job, but I couldn't, at this time in my life, I can't imagine myself doing anything else. And I work in real estate, so if you're wondering what I do.
That's my Danny boy.
Next question is, how is the Zigz doing in Cebu at the moment with the pandemic?
No business.
So the shop's all closed?
Yep.
But the boys are filming. So they're doing good by the looks of it.
They're killing their boredom, I guess.
Yeah, oh, that's good. You know what? The pandemic made people get out of their comfort zone and try new stuff and try different stuff instead of doing the same old routine.
True.
So
yeah, that's true.
Maybe it was a blessing for the boys to start the channel, the Zigz.
Yep. Dan doesn't understand, but he loves it. He just likes watching me laugh so hard.
I'll support the boys. I like when the boys work hard, and the boys are working hard at the moment, so it's really good for them, and I hope they do well. I do mean that, so. And have fun doing it as well. I
know, and you can see them. They're having so much fun.
Yeah. For Kuya Dan, how did you adjust on Ate Ray's vlogging around you? So everybody knows when she first started vlogging, I was not really camera friendly. I'm still not 100% camera friendly, but I'm pretty used to it now. So yeah, I know I just adjusted by getting used to it. It just came routine and part of my life as well, not just Raz's life. So some days I'm not in the mood. Like you just don't want to have a camera around, and the camera's around. But most of the time, it's pretty good.
But I think it helped as well that I wasn't forcing you to be in it in the first place. I respected when Dan said, "Oh, I don't want to be in it," so he wasn't in it. Like people know that he's around, but people didn't see his face and all that. And maybe like you realized, oh dang, this is gonna be what she will be doing every day. I have to get used to it now.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Don't you think?
Yeah, no, but I enjoy it now, so.
Yeah?
I do. I enjoy mukbangs and...
Oh yeah, this is your favorite video to film.
It's like a win-win for everyone.
We've got food, we've got a video.
Yeah.
At the race, if you will have errands to do, will you leave the baby to Tito Dan or Kuya Dan? Yeah. Dan is trustworthy.
I know, Jesus Christ. It's my child as well.
He's my husband.
Yeah. I bet you though you'll be worried the first time you leave it with me.
Yeah. Well, I will be worried, but I will make sure that, you know, she's well fed and all that. But yeah, I don't think Dad will do anything bad to her baby. Or maybe feed her chocolate. That's it.
Chocolate milk.
Instead of the breast milk, just give her chocolate milk. Train her early.
Yeah.
Oh, babe. I like that question. What are you feeling now that you'll be leaving the old house soon?
Good.
Relieved. Actually.
Yeah, relieved's a good word.
Happy. We were not expecting na the house will be sold in 3 weeks, guys. Especially my pandemic. Sobrang saya ko lang na wala na kaming iisipin. Just great timing.
Yeah.
Everything's going really well. How long after this baby will you have the next baby? How long bago sundan si baby?
What do you think, babe?
I don't know.
What do you want? What would you like?
We plan na we will start actively trying pag 1 year na si baby.
1 year?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I want to have the kids be nice. We know it doesn't always work the way it's meant to, but in a perfect world, 2 years apart's a good age gap for the kids.
Yeah. Will you be doing a birth vlog? You're out of the sauce here. I'm not sure if you would like this.
Yours looks hotter. No, yours looks hotter. Yours looks red.
Do you want to try at least?
No.
No? We will try. We can't promise a birth vlog, but we will try.
We will try.
Yeah. Because kung ako lang tatanungin, I will. But I cannot do everything, guys. I will need Dad's help. Kailanganin ko yung tulong niya. Ayoko talaga na pinipilit siya. I don't want to force him to do this for me and stuff like that. Especially vlogging because I feel like hindi niya naman trabaho yun. Alam mo yun? It depends. If I can, I will. I don't know how. Paano ako mag-vlog habang nanganganak ako?
I don't want to concentrate on holding the camera when you're trying to give birth.
Yeah.
I want to try and...
Fair enough.
You know, I want to try and be there for the moment, not focusing outside.
That's right.
Yeah, holding a camera for YouTube.
But if we can set up the camera somewhere and okay lang sa doctors, okay lang
If
sa
one of the
staff.
doctors could hold it, maybe we can look at it.
The staff?
Well, the staff.
Yeah, because right now with the pandemic, right now si Dan lang yung makakapasok sa room. Siya lang yung, like, you know, support person makakapasok sa room. We're not promising anything, guys.
I'll get some more sauce babe and all that. So how do you make it?
Just bring the sauces here. I have bring both. Soybean paste ata to. Tapos, itong isa is pepper paste. Konti lang yung ilalagay sa kay Dan kasi ayaw niya na maanghang. So, konti lang, guys. And then, lalagyan mo siya ng sesame oil. That's it. Is this still spicy for you? Kasi sinisipon siya.
No, how you made it was pretty good.
Okay. Are you excited to be a mommy? Yes! Very, very, very excited. Not a question, but reading to your baby will help a lot. Yes, we do know that.
My sister reads a book, or my sister's husband reads a book to their children every day.
Yeah.
And they said definitely read a book to the child because it gets them smarter and helps them with their speech as well. So
yeah, so we will do
we're going to do that as well. Yeah.
Kuya Dan, what do you feel about the pregnancy pillow? It's okay, you can be honest.
No, it's okay. It keeps Raz on her side of the bed. I know she rolls over.
It's kind of like a barrier.
It's like a barrier, so I do like it for that. But it is bloody big. It's a big pillow.
When are you gonna move houses? I'm so happy for you guys. Thank you.
1 month. We'll be moving in 1 month.
July, guys. July.
Yeah, beginning of July.
Is Dan ready to change the baby's nappy?
No. No. That'll be a good vlog, filming me changing the nappy. Are you gonna film that? That's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of firsts. The first time Dad changes baby nappy.
Because you have never done it before, have you?
I've never seen the mess down there before.
Yeah, hindi pa niya nakita. Because he refuses to see it.
I don't want to see it.
And when people talk about it, he just goes,
Yeah.
grabe siya mag-react. As in, when people talk about like the delivery, nappy, all that, Dan just, all the facial expressions you'll see.
Yeah, that's me.
That's Dan. But he'll learn. All dads learn.
I'll be fine.
Yeah. Sa tingin niyo po, anong style of discipline ang gagawin niyo kay baby in the future?
Discipline?
Style of discipline.
Style of discipline. Strict but fair. I think I'll...
Strict but fair?
Yeah, I won't let the kid run amok.
Sorry?
I won't let the kid run amok.
Yeah.
Like, go crazy and be loud and disturb everyone and, you know, go to a shop and tear the shop apart. I wouldn't want that. But sometimes I'll let her have fun.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let kids be kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. I don't know what. What do you think?
You'll be strict, I reckon.
You think so?
I think you will be.
I like that. Strict but fair. Ang dami din nagtatanong nito. Why are you building a new house?
We're building a new house because we know if we build it, we can build it to exactly what we want. So there's a few must-haves. One was we wanted 4 bedrooms, 2 living areas, 2 bathrooms, double garage. We wanted it to be low maintenance.
We basically wanted a bigger house.
We wanted a bigger house. We're going to need a bigger house in the future. Raz wants a big closet, so we're going to have a really big closet. We're having 2 showers in the ensuite, so Raz will have her shower, I have my own shower.
Perfect.
Really good. So we'd have to so we want to both have a shower at the same time we can. Like our current ensuite shower is small, so that's going to be
tight.
good.
It's tight.
It's tight.
Yeah.
So if you build what you want, and this house we're building is going to be our house for the next 25 to 30 years probably.
Yeah, because some people, your house is already big enough. It's gonna be big enough for a family. It is actually, but yeah, we want a bigger house.
Yeah, it's just this house could be a little bit bigger. The other house would be plenty of room. Plenty.
Yeah. Did you expect that you are having twins? Shout out at Therese. Hello, Jesseline.
I was always hoping for twins.
He's always hoping. We know that it's not twins in the beginning kasi isa lang yung pinasok nila sa amin. Dan did ask the question, sabi niya pwede bang dalawa? And sabi niya no, isa lang. Depende kasi sa sitwasyon. Kung mas matanda ako, lalagay sila ng dalawa. But because I'm like, they consider me young, isa lang yung nilagay nila. So we know from the very beginning that we only have 1 embryo in. But Dan was always hoping na the embryo will split and we will have twins.
I was being greedy.
I know he's being greedy.
As always.
But no, we're very happy that we're having a baby girl.
Very, very happy.
Very happy.
And this year's flying. I can't believe you think June soon.
I know.
And then July, there's just so much things happening over the next few months. It's been a bit of a crazy year actually.
Like the next day I'm gonna give birth. It's happening really quick.
Yeah.
How does it feel, Ate Reyes, nung malaman yung baby girl ang gender ni baby? I mentioned this in my vlog. I was shocked. Dan wasn't because he is expecting that it is a baby girl all along. But I was really shocked because of the lady in the balloon place. But before that, I had no idea. But then, nung nadula si ate, akala ko lalaki. So I was shocked. But yeah, no. Again, sinabi ko na siya maraming beses na wala naman akong pakialam ko ano yung gender. I'm happy.
I'm really happy.
Yeah.
And the baby girl is perfect for our family. It is. So.
Dad is just like over the moon. He is so happy. He was like boy. And then when the camera is off, I was like, I think you're having a girl. Thoughts on this pandemic? I'm over it.
Yeah, I'm over it as well.
Yeah.
I can't wait for the world to go back to normal. If and when. Not see face masks and people to shake hands and...
Yeah, I know.
You can go out to restaurants or pubs or the movies with your friends or go to a football match or... Yeah.
Who will you love more, the baby or Ate Reyes? The baby!
Both.
Aww, thank you, Mama. You can love the baby more. It's fine. May sentimental value po ba yung ring mo po sa mid finger? Ilang years na po ba yan sa inyo? Hindi naman ako ma-sentimental value na tao, but this ring is from my mom. A flower-looking ring. It's got that blue, I don't know what kind of, like, I'm not sure if that's diamond, I don't know.
Stone?
The blue stone in the middle. And then I think diamonds surrounding it. Galing siya kay mama, nagkasya kasi siya sa akin. So kinuha ko siya after college because kinuha ko talaga din ako kay mama. Kinuha ko lang, sinuot ko lang siya tapos hindi ko na binalik. Sinuot ko siya after college because when I was in college, we were not allowed to wear jewelry. I even had this ring when we got married. I didn't wear it, but it was in my bouquet. Tinay ko siya sa bouquet ko. Yeah. Kuya Dan, will you spoil your baby?
I will.
You will? How? What are you gonna do?
Chocolate.
Ah!
Chocolate.
It's gonna be interesting because I don't like chocolates and Dan loves chocolates. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging, kung saang landas papunta si baby. Where do you think she will go? To the chocolate side or?
My side.
No. I think she'll like my dried fish. Paano po kayo nagpaplano ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay? If si Dan yung asawa nyo, you do not have a choice. He plans all the time. And it's good because it's not just like planning for the sake of planning. It's like goal setting, you know?
Every day I just think of the future. That's what I do. And then I think,
every single day there's something new that he wants to do in the future.
yeah, and trying to reach out or what needs to happen or watching, spending or just doing stuff to get where we got to get.
I'm not sure if you want to answer this. I know this is a sensitive topic, but how much did you spend for the whole IVF procedure? Do you want to answer that?
Sure.
It depends. It depends upon where you are. But in our case...
Do you know the figures, babe?
I have an idea.
What do you reckon it is?
Well, it's 10,000 for a cycle, right? It's 10,000 for a cycle, but you do get money back from Medicare if you have Medicare, and I do. We do.
And private health as well. Yeah.
And private health. But that's not it. Like, yan yung bayad sa IVF cycle. 10,000 Australian dollars ha. That's per cycle. We did 2 cycles. But then again, hindi lang yan yung babayaran mo. Because medication is not included in the IVF cycle payment. You have to pay for the medication separately. So when you pick up the medication, you pay for that. Egg collection as well because that counts as like hospitalization. You're admitted. Alam mo yun? The IVF procedure cost doesn't cover that. You pay for that separately. All in all, how much do you think we spent?
I'd say all up 21, 22.
Maybe we got like 8 back. Yun yung presyuhan. But it is different from country to country. I don't have any idea kung magkano siya sa Philippines because I do get a lot of emails, as in, my gosh, yung emails ko non-stop lately, guys, about all this. As soon as we announced the pregnancy, I cannot keep up with my emails. People asking the cost of IVF in the Philippines, I have no idea.
That'll be interesting to know, actually. Comment below if you know how much IVF costs in the Philippines. Just
be ready financially because it's not gonna happen. Like in my case, it didn't happen on the first cycle, and if hindi kami ready financially, then hindi kami makaka-move on agad-agad sa next cycle, you know.
So you don't want the financial stress, as well as all the other stress of going through the whole IVF. Yeah, because it's already really stressful, like emotionally, elderly. So at least you don't have to worry about it. If you got that sorted, it's one less worry in life. That's right. Yeah, at least if you got the financial side of it covered, then you do not have to worry about that. You do not have to think about that. That's one less to worry about. Yeah, that's right. But I reckon in the Philippines will be similar costings. I have a feeling.
You think so? Are you guys still planning to have more kids, even though IVF was a tough journey? In a heartbeat, I will do it again if yun lang yung paraan para magka-baby kami. I will do it again.
Yeah, no, we'll have 2 or 3 kids. I said 2 or 3.
Yeah.
One at a time, but 2 or 3 will be the number.
Yeah, we know a lot of people na did IVF on their first child and then natural na yung sunod-sunod. Parang niready lang nila yung sistema. Pwede pala ako mabuntis. Like, so yung sunod is natural na. We will still do the same process before na mag-try kami naturally and like active trying talaga. And if that doesn't work, then yeah, I'm happy to go through IVF again. No problems at all. What traits of Dan or you raise that you want your daughter to inherit?
Okay, now when we have our daughter, I want our daughter to be exactly like Rhaze. I do.
Aww,
exactly like her.
Exactly like me.
Taller, but exactly like Rhaze. So everything, all your qualities,
Aww.
your looks, everything.
My looks?
Just taller. Just give me that much. Give me, I don't know, 4 inches more. 4 inches. But everything else, exactly like you, and I'll be very happy.
Aww.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, babe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I told Dan, I want our kids, not just daughter, but our kids to have his hair, his face.
And here, we're not down here.
Who will be better at singing lullabies? What? What are you gonna sing to our baby?
She won't like my voice.
What are you gonna sing though? Because we have to sing her something.
I reckon you'll be better. You got a softer voice than me.
Yeah, I'm gonna sing to her all the time. I sing to her now.
Rhaz will be a better singer than me.
Ooh, okay. This is like really futuristic because you like planning for the future.
Okay. She'll be a nurse. Was that the question?
I saw that question. I don't know if I included that. Kuya Dan, since you're having a little baby Rhaze, how would you react with her future suitors?
With my fists. Aggressively. Very aggressively.
Oh my gosh, good luck.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wait guys, wag muna. Not yet, babe.
Oh no,
way.
let's worry about this in 15 years' time.
15?
Or she'll probably start dating.
She's gonna be 14 in 15 years' time.
They start dating around then.
You will allow her to date at 14, babe?
Or we probably won't have a choice.
Oh my gosh. I need to relax.
Theo, look after her.
We got the cousins. Did the fertility journey ever cause a strain on your marriage?
Nah.
It made us stronger. How do you settle decisions you both need to make but have different opinions? Okay, I'm gonna say something. Okay. Dan is really good at talking me into things, especially big decisions in life. If I say, just for example, I was like, oh, our plans got approved for the new house, Once everything is approved, let's build right away. Because like, what are we waiting for? That's me, Like, I want to build right away because we're ready, right? And then it's like, nope, we can't build right away. And we like had like a healthy argument in the beginning, like, why not? And he's really good at explaining. So these are the reasons why. And at the end of the day, it's always his say. Because he will explain it to me nicely and he will talk me into it. Right?
Yeah.
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 He's really good at that.
But have I made good decisions so far?
Yeah, they're all great decisions.
They're very responsible decisions.
Very responsible decisions.
They're not selfish decisions. They're very responsible. They're big pictures.
And what's good about him is he always include me. Like, even if we have different opinions and even if he knows that my opinion will be different from his, because we're married and because I'm his wife, he will tell me that, hey, this is happening. I know, like, your view on this will be different, but here's the thing. He will explain it to me. I understand.
You trust me. You trust that I'm going to do the right thing.
Yeah.
And, right, you prefer me to lead on stuff, don't you?
Yes. So, as long as it's explained to, like, the other party properly, you come up to that decision as a team.
I've only made one bad decision so far.
What? Marry me?
No.
Oh, what?
The shares.
Oh, hello.
That was one bad decision.
What did I say?
So I've made one bad decision so far.
If I just said, yeah, go for it, put this much
I would have chucked everything at it.
I know. See, we will be left with nothing. Buti na lang talaga napigilan ko siya. So what's happening with that share now?
It's not going good.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. All good. That doesn't bother me though. In life, I don't even, that's not even...
How's your pregnancy going at the race? Di ka ba nahihirapan kay Baby Peachy? She's calling her Baby Peachy. She's actually really good. She's not giving me a hard time at all. Like, yeah, like normal pregnancy stuff. No morning sickness. I vomited once. Like, I'm 18 weeks now, but I vomited only once. So, she's being really, really good to me. And she's doing a lot of good stuff that I like. Like, you know, I think
she's moving.
I think she's moving. She's moving. You're moving, right?
Like doing little somersaults inside.
I know. She's good. And for some people, it's like, oh, that's painful. But I'm like, she's doing something. I like it. I really do. Okay, this is the last question, guys, because mamamatay na yung camera namin. Are you going to replace some of your furniture or keep some for the new house? Keep some for the rental, but I think we will replace everything for the new house. Is that a yes or a no?
I think you're right.
Yeah.
I think you're right.
So we will not buy anything new for the rental house because there's no point. We will save that for the new house. Right? Because we will be needing a bigger fridge, a bigger couch, bigger everything. Yeah?
You're right.
Approve?
Approve.
That's it. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet.
Subscribe to the Zigz. Subscribe to rhaze.zigz. And just subscribe to the Indies as well.
Yes.
Subscribe to everybody.
Subscribe to everyone. Show some love.
Yeah.
It's free. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.
Be
Bye.
good.
Mwah.
Good job, my love.
All right.